This week on Viking TV, we've been exploring art from all over the world. We've taken virtual visits to museums and met some of the artists whose work we display on board. Every piece of art in the Viking collection has been carefully considered, and each piece has its own story to tell, of course. The Viking Art Guide, which is part of the Viking Voyager app, allows you to explore every piece on board and listen to an informative commentary as you take in the works around the ship. But what makes an art piece really special, of course, is how it makes us feel. And that is something that we all experience in a unique way, with our different personal tastes, memories and characters shaping the way in which we view a painting, a photograph or a sculpture. So we wanted to ask members of our Viking family from on board the Viking Sea, the Viking Sky and the Viking Venus to share with us in their own words why certain pieces of art mean something special to them. We hope you will enjoy joining them for this virtual tour around the ships and maybe even recognize some familiar faces.
My name is Karen from Explorer's Desk, and these are two of my favorite art pieces on board Viking Sky. The reason why reminds me when I was younger and I used to write stories and letters for friends and family. I really love to express myself by writing. Nowadays, I have the connection with these two pieces because I feel like I'm writing and drawing my own story with different perspectives, with different directions, but always with new experiences and new challenges. And the most important thing, creating and drawing memories of the story of my life.
Hello, my name is Erik Simonsen. I'm the second engineer on board Viking Sky. When I first saw this piece, it caught my eye because I'm from the north of Norway, and this piece by Adrian Bugge reminds me of how a perfect day in the mountains at home would look like.
Hello everybody, my name is Juan Carlos. I am from Cancun, Mexico. I am video technician here in the beautiful Viking Sky. Let me show you this beautiful piece of art with the name Cafe Bauer. This art is from the Norwegian painter and graphic artist Edvard Munch. And the history say Edvard was well known in this beautiful place situated on Main Street, Berlin with the name Under den Linden. And for me, when I see this beautiful piece of art, it's really important because you can see it's a little piece of paper, but for me, I imagine Edvard Munch sitting there in Cafe Bauer, watching around him and starting to project and transmit his feelings in that moment. At the same time, this beautiful piece of art reminds me of my home. Why? Because I'm a cartoonist and I am artist in Mexico, and when I paint, I'm trying to do the same. Example here with this piece of art. This guy is Quetzalcoatl, is a Mexican god from a Mexican legend.
Hi, my name is Justina. I'm a beauty therapist on board in the beautiful Nordic Spa, and I hail all the way from sunny South Africa. The reason I've chosen this piece of art is for two reasons. One, it reminds me of my native hometown of Durban, which the hibiscus is a tropical flower from. My grandmother, I have fond memories of my grandmother making tea, which we used to drink on really hot days. The second reason that I really like it is because if you look at each flower, it doesn't stand out. But put together, it makes a beautiful piece of art. The same way we all, different nationalities here on board, come together to give our guests the best Viking experience.
Hi, my name is Ardel Gonzaga from the beverage department on board beautiful Viking Sky. There are various collections of arts and photography on board beautiful Viking Sky. And if you're going to see a lot more, the only place to visit is the Viking Ocean. For me, there is one photo that got my attention right away. I have been on board for 3 months now. Every day, going to my workplace, I've seen this photo, the man and the dog. And it was photographed by a famous Norwegian person named Mr. Finn Sork Hansen. The connection between the dog and the man is very amazing. That reminds me of myself and my dog back home. I have a dog named Arky. Every day, as I see this, it would remind me of my dream together with my dog, the moment that we shared together. So if we correlate this to our Viking values, the amazing connection to our lovely guest is very vital to the operation. And I hope that if you're going one day to visit Viking Sky again, I hope that you are going to love this photo as well. I think dog lovers can relate with my reasons.
Good afternoon. Hi, I'm Faye Cortez, Assistant Chief Housekeeper. I love this Viking art because as a person, I always aim so high that sometimes people may think like that's not realistic. But when I see some birds soaring high up in the sky, where I am right now, Viking Sky, I say if birds can live alone, why can't I? I aim so high and birds are my inspiration.
Hello, my name is Victoria and I'm a boutique assistant. I was impressed by many paintings all over the ship, but this particular one by Edvard Munch, Violin Concert, I was impressed greatly. I used to play the piano and I gave a lot of concerts when I was small. And whenever I pass by, it gives me hints about my past, about my hometown, and especially emotions of the past.
Hello everyone, my name is Shireen. I'm the onboard cruise consultant on the beautiful Viking Sea, and I'm standing right next to one of my favorite paintings. It's actually greets you at the door of the restaurant, and it's a self-portrait by a really famous Norwegian graffiti artist. His name is Marcus Benhor, and I just love it. It greets you. It's a self-portrait, and it's one of my favorite pieces of art.
Hi, I'm Bibi. I'm the HR manager on board the beautiful Viking Sea, and I would like to introduce you to the work of Kate Jenkins. Her art is really playful pop art being made by yarn, crochet and embroidery. One afternoon I was sitting here in the Wolf Cafe having lunch, and I looked up and I really studied this beautiful work, and I went back to my office to go read more about Kate Jenkins.
Hi, I'm David Peterson, Cruise Director on board Viking Sea. I've walked by this beautiful piece of artwork on deck AF on countless occasions and always looked at it and thought it was very lovely. But I noticed a couple of things recently that I had never noticed before. As I was waiting for guests to come down the stairs to go to the tender, I noticed some legs, and then I looked up and said, well, wait a minute, there's a Viking there, and there's a Viking here, and Vikings there, and I realized, wait, these are shields, and then I saw spears, and I saw an animal, and I realized there was so much more to this particular piece of art than I'd ever noticed before, and so now I'm going around this beautiful ship and looking at all of the other artwork to see what hidden gems I might find.
Hello, my name is Sarah Leanne and I am one of your vocalists here on board the Viking Sea. And we're currently standing just outside of the Explorers Lounge on Deck 7, looking at my personal favourite pieces of artwork on board. I feel they're perfect for our ocean cruises because they have a very oceanic theme with the colours, and the tapestry woven theme throughout is beautiful.
Hello, my name is Kanike. I'm cafe attendant. I'm from Kyrgyzstan. Right now I'm on the Viking Sea. And I really like this picture from Italy because I've been in Italy with Viking and I was dreaming about this city a long time before, and finally I visited that city and it's lovely. Thank you, Viking.
My name is Ilse. I am explorer staff here at Viking Sea, and these are my two favorite pieces of art on board because I like the contrast with the colors, with the black and white, and I think they are telling a story, and I like that they look like they are being by hand, and this is why they are my favorite art on board.
Hello, I am Deniz, shop manager on the Viking Sea. I love this piece of art because it reminds me my home, Turkey, and I live in a very nice place in Turkey called Efesus Kuşadası, and there is a national park that looks exactly the same like here. And when I pass from here in the restaurant, when I see this and I stop and look, and it just reminds me of my home, and I feel very nice and peace when I see this piece of art, and it is just very nice to watch and just look at it.
Hello, my name is Todorka from the restaurant department. Looking at these handmade ships behind me bring back a lot of memories and reminds me of my childhood. But today I'm standing on one beautiful ship, Viking Venus, and the treasure that I found is my Viking family.
Hello, my name is Vanya, I'm coming from art department. Photo of a ram is my favorite art on board. Photo was taken by Alistair Miller, and I just love black and white photography. This photo has a special place in my heart for two reasons. It reminds me of my childhood and my grandparents' farm, and also it reminds me of Viking Star and my beginning with Viking family. As I love symbols, ram's head symbolizes knowledge, intellect and power. As his horns grow sturdier with each passing day, it is a reminder of a continual progress that can only promise lifelong success.
My name is Arlinda and I am Explorer Staff on Viking Venus. My favorite art piece is this painting because every time I see it, I'm amazed by the soft composition of colors that carry a feeling of peace but also give a sense of freedom and reminds me that there's a marvelous serendipity waiting outside the door.
Hi, my name is Suta. I'm from restaurant department. I love so much this picture. This is regarding a symbol circle of life. As you can see, if you are on top, so before you are in the downs. So from below, you raise until the top one. It means this is like the circulation, the symbol of the life. If you already on top, don't forget. You always be nice to the people, always humble, always low profile. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Modesta and I work as a waitress in this beautiful Viking Venus. Behind me is my favorite. What I really love about this artwork is actually the story behind it, which is about Nordic mythology. As you can see, these two ravens named Hugin and Munin is being sent by the god Odin to travel around the world and eventually comes back to his shoulder and whisper in his ears the news of what they see and what they hear. Upon hearing this story, I've come up to realize that I can see myself as these two ravens because I was given the opportunity to work with Viking and to be able to see the world. And I am always excited to make my own story and tell to my friends and family as soon as I go home.
Hello, my name is Joan. I'm from the restaurant department, and this is one of my favorite artwork here in Viking Venus. This is located in the entrance of the main restaurant on deck 2. For me, this painting says a lot about the hard work of the people, going different places, finding resources to provide for their families. And aside from that, for me, this painting shows that we are all in a different boat, but we are on the same storm. And for that, we need to be kind. Let's don't judge and support one another.
I hope you enjoyed seeing some more of the Viking art collection through the eyes of our crew, and in case you missed them, you can take a look back at our previous Friday episodes where you'll find similar tours of the Viking Star, the Viking Jupiter and the Viking Orion. We hope that wherever in the world you're watching this from, you'll be on board a Viking ship again very soon and taking some time to appreciate these artworks for yourselves.